Hi all, this is your mentor Juhi Bartaria. So today we are here again to discuss or to give you some information about the field pharmacovigilance. If we don't go through the basic definition which is being given by the WHO, that is the World Health Organization, let us first understand that what exactly is the word pharmacovigilance. Why is there a necessity to undergo the study of pharmacovigilance? See, there are many medicines and there are many vaccines which are required for the treatment of many diseases. So, every day, every month, every year, there are so many clinical trials which are being conducted for the assessment or the checking of those vaccines or the medications. So, through all those clinical trials, where at one point we come to know about the benefit of any drug or the molecule, at the same time, we also come across the side effects or the adverse effect which occur because of those medications into the patients, whom it is being injected or it is being given orally or through any route of administration. Now, if we come across these adverse effects, we come to know that whether these are expected, unexpected, undesirable, or suspected, which we further differentiate into SUSARs or PSURs or DSURs, ICSRs. So, here we come to know the exact definition about pharmacovigilance, that is, the detection, assessment, and monitoring of any adverse event with respect to a drug in a particular patient. This is what pharmacovigilance is. So the initial starts from the clinical trials where all the medications they undergo some or the other changes into the patients, even with comparison of a placebo. Then we come to know that whether it is giving us some benefit or some undesirable effects, or whether it causes a death to a patient, or it is giving some life threatening serious major impact to the health of a patient. I hope this thing might have been very clear to you this time, and I hope you all will keep that in mind for your interviews as well as for your working into any of the organization. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.